Good morning, first grade, and happy Wednesday. I'm excited. I have my Be the Kind Kid Avonworth Virtual Academy Be the Kind Kid shirt for today. So I'm excited about that. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. It is day 4, so you will have art for your special at 12:15. And then it is the 16th day of school. So I have moved over another spot, another bead on our Rec and Rec, so that we have 10 on the top, and then we had 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, and 10-6. Nice job, 10-6. All right, wonderful. I also updated our coins where we have our 16 cents. One dime is 10, one nickel is 5 cents, and then one more penny is 16 cents. Okay, now I have a little riddle for you, and you may notice, or I don't know if riddle is quite the right word, but a little problem, a question. You might see this, you see this bucket in the background, and I have some counters outside of the bucket. And I want to see if you have X-ray vision. What do you think? I bet you do. I bet you can figure it out. So there were 10 counters all together, and some of them are in the bucket, and some of them are outside of the bucket. Can you figure out how many are inside the bucket? Can you use some X-ray vision, or maybe you can use your really great math brain and your really smart math thinking to figure out how many would be in the container, even though we can't see them. If there's 10 in the whole thing, I had 10 counters all together, some are in the bucket, some are outside. Can you figure out how many are in the bucket? If you'd like to comment on this post, if you think you know the answer, feel free. Or if we can share at our first class this morning, we can do that as well. Okay, before we dive into our schedule for today, we can, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and go ahead, and our flag is up there. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. This morning, coming out at 9, you'll have your math application problem like we've been doing, and you've been doing a wonderful job with. Then there will be a lesson that goes along with our wit and wisdom that will have a video, a lesson video that you'll watch first that will be of me explaining the lesson for the day, and then you'll do an activity or a response in your workbook, and you can take a picture when you're finished and send it. And then today's Wednesday, so I've assigned a practice spelling test in Spelling City. So whenever you have a chance, if you want to go on to Spelling City and do the practice spelling test to prepare for our spelling test tomorrow, that is first thing this morning. Then we'll have our word building live class at 10, and then we will meet again at 1 for math. And for word building, if you could please bring these letters. It is A, D, G, H, I, O, P, R, T. I'll also, of course, type it up in the typed schedule. So if you want to check that out and just grab those letters before our 10 a.m. class, that would be great. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I look forward to seeing you at 10.